Mobile. And then there's Vendita. And then there's Han. Walking around, there's literally no one. So cool. There's so much to see. Basically the last exhibit, and it's really cool. These little string things are made out of silicone, and you go through it, and then you follow these dots on the ground. Pretty interesting. So I took Astra's, I don't know how to call this, but yeah, we had to switch. And then Han's carrying the one that I wanted to wear. It wasn't appropriate, so we'll see this time around if it is. We literally just changed in the car. Now I am back in my pink outfit. I had to put it over, so now I'm like 3 layers, guys. Excited though.
It must be the Rihanna thing.
Oh my god. It's stunning here. Look at this. Oh, you could barely see it. Oh no. Okay, I'll show you guys inside. It's so pretty. Are you excited?
Yes, sir. The Big Mac. I'm gonna try to see if it's the same thing.
It's the Big Mac. It's the McChicken. Guys, this McChicken is so good. Okay, guys, so we just got back from the mosque and it was stunning. But now we are changed to go to a I don't know if it's a nightclub or something, I don't know, to grab some drinks and have some fun. So I just decided to wear this black dress here. It has like a cute slit right here, which I like, you know, not too much. And I just did some quick makeup because we gotta go now. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. You're on our way to the water park. So excited. We feel so much more alive, huh?
Yeah.
Not as tired anymore. Even though we got 4 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
Finally a boba spot in Dubai.
Oh, it's like we never left home. How's the park?
It's very fun. We went on 2 like group rides. We're kind of scared. Okay, not gonna lie, me and Han are kind of scared of the rides in general. We're not really big fans of amusement parks.
Yeah.
But anyways, you know, we're here. It's Dubai, so we're here once.
Yeah, we might go grab some ice cream or something.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So we got some wings and fries.
We love
that.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with it, you know?
Yep.
And also water. I forgot my phone in the locker room. Not gonna bring my camera. Well, I still have my camera too, but I left it in the locker room, so we're using Hans.
The music here they're playing is very American. I'm surprised.
Mayo.
Ooh, mayo. Mayo for the fries. I told you the world eats mayo and wedges together.
Mayo and ketchup? Yo, I'm gonna do that. The water park here is so pretty and like really clean too. I appreciate that. There's lifeguards everywhere.
In Dubai, there's a worker at every spot, like 3 workers per area.
Literally. Everyone's really nice here, guys. Really enjoy our time right now.
Right.
Can't believe we're here.
I know, crazy.
Okay, Han told me to record this. Let's see. Oh, they cleaned up the housekeeping. Oh my gosh! Look at this!
That's so nice.
How
dude.
cute is this? Wait,
They're
what
so
is
creative.
it, baby? Oh, bunny. A bunny, huh?
Thank you for choosing
Oops, sorry.
Waldorf. Damn, they have handwritten letters too.
This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Yay!
Dude, her name's Sushi, and she put a little
I
sushi
love that they
boat.
organized everything. Ugh. I mean, yeah, for the most part, it was worse than this. We are finally back at the hotel. Where's it? Where are you? Where are you? Baby, you gotta wear a mask, Neymar.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're finally back. We're gonna take a shower and then just chill. Yeah, tonight it's about to be good, guys. We're about to go to the Burj Khalifa. Really excited. The water park is so much fun. It sucks because they closed the majority of it, so only a certain part is open, but it was still really fun. Yeah, especially the group rides.
I mean, it was worth it.
Yeah.
It's really fun.
My eyes. Okay, anyways.
World's highest observation deck.
Let's go. Ooh, look at him, cutie. Finally out of the house, guys. Took a little break, but we are here. Can't wait to see. We're gonna go to the top.
No, we're not gonna go to the top.
I mean,
that's
not
very expensive.
okay, not the very top, but
Each floor is like cost exponentially higher. So I think we're going to what 171.
yeah,
I forget something like that. I forget.
Ooh. Guys, it's the next day, and basically we're on our way to the yacht. We're gonna go on a yacht to have lunch. So excited. Oh, we just watched Cruella. And basically to enter, I guess you have to go inside the mall. Next day, basically we are finally ready. It was a really fun night last night. We went out to social and we basically drank and danced the night away. Getting ready to go to the Dubai Mall. We went there for a little bit. We had to go there to go to the yacht. So now we're going back and we're finally gonna do some shopping and look around. It's a huge mall. Did someone say there's an aquarium? Or or freaking amusement park or something? Or a ride or something?
Well, and next to Dubai Mall, there's a Mall of Emirates, and that has a ski place. But the Dubai Mall itself has the Burj Khalifa. We went there for the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world.
Yep. So it's a slow day today. We're probably just gonna spend some time together, some quality time together. Later in the night, we're gonna go out again. So, hey, it's been so fun, right, baby?
Yep, it's super fun.
Oh, and the housekeepers are so nice. They're so funny because they leave like little animal thingies.
Oh, little towels, huh?
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Love you. Alright guys, we are at the Dubai Mall. It's freaking huge in here. There's so many stores. We don't even know where to start. It's amazing. Okay, we're gonna go shop. juice. I never tried it before. And it's really good. Sweet though. Hi, baby.
I'm stressed. I'm trying to iron my shirt.
We have like what, 5 minutes?
Yeah, I'm stressed out.
We're getting ready to go to a... Baby, is it a club?
What?
Is it a nightclub?
I have no idea.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know what it is. It's probably like a bar club. Called, what is it called? Oh, Secret or something like that? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, and supposedly like celebrities go there or something when they're in Dubai, so we'll see how it is. Hopefully I could film or something like on my phone, but who knows. But yep, this is what I am wearing. Oh, excuse the towel on the floor. Let me show you guys my makeup. This is what it looks like. I'm finally wearing lashes, thank goodness. I felt so naked without them. So this is what it looks like. And then maybe I can show you guys my outfit. So this is what I'm wearing. And then I'm wearing some lace-up heels with it.